Alright, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be another video of an old school Gallagher unit, M1500. I don't know what the problem is with it. Let's see what the note says. Oh, transformer dead. Okay, I kind of remember the conversation I had with this guy. This guy that owns this one took it to his local fence fixer guy or local co-op that work on there, I guess their farm store. Well, they said that the transformer's bad in this thing and that no longer available, which is true. Gallagher themselves no longer make a transformer for this model. But he said, I saw one of your videos where you're doing some kind of retrofit, rewire, and put another transformer in there. Can you do that to mine? I'm like, hell yeah, send on in. So we're going to, I use about 2 or 3 different transformers in these things, depending on what I got in stock. So we're still going to go through the whole thing. You see the case is all cracked and broken on, so we'll have to, I don't know if it happened in shipping or what. I mean, just, you know, the serial number on it is that, which is before 1998, 1999. Before that, they used some kind of sequential number. So this thing's a mid-90s, early 90s, who knows, model. So the plastic probably is brittle to start with to a point. It's got a cracked it through on this cobweb. But it's supposed to be purple, and it's, you know, you can't see the purple down inside there, but it's faded to like this grayish black color now. So we'll have to squeeze that together after we fix it, and we'll put some sealant on there, and probably put a piece of tape across it to hold it together. Put the sealant on there, wait for the sealant to harden, and then we'll take the piece of tape off. Because I think you can get cases for it, but it'll be a solid black case. It's blank, no writing on it. I don't think there's any screws in the front. Nope. So if you got one of these old Gallagher units, and like to get it fixed instead of being thrown away, just so you can buy a new one, or they'll sell you a new one, send this one here to us and let us fix it for you. Oh yeah, look, the board's all popped out of place. Alright, let's check these capacitors. I would almost put money on it. Those are ooh. That big old bubble right there. I guess their local co-op guy didn't see that. Capacitor's got a big old bulge inside of it. Yeah, the note says transformer dead, which may be the case. Let's ohm it out real quick and see what it reads. Should be around 11-ish ohms there. Yeah, transformer might not be his issue. It may be the capacitor, dummies. I guess what you get for taking it to a guy that doesn't know what he's doing. Because if you don't do this for a living like we do, then you're just, oh well, it's this, it's that, and just guessing. Yeah, look at that. It's supposed to be nice and smooth and flat. This one's got a big old bulge inside of it. I mean, it's sitting right there where you could see it. Or maybe you couldn't see it. I don't know. We'll test them out anyways. That's why we got them. It's supposed to be 30 a piece on the microfarads. This one reads nothing at all, so that one's definitely bad. This is the one that had the bulge in the side of it. It's also got a crack right there. Both dead, so this problem is not the transformer. New capacitors. Let's check these out, see what these read. Should read 30, just so people know what they're supposed to read. See, 29, 30.6, 30.6. So both these capacitors, you know, they're brand new, so they should be good. that broke. Alright, fasten it a different way. A couple of pieces of double-sided foam. Then getting good. Oh, side road. Yeah. So she'll be here before too long. Alright, straighten all these pins that were crooked. Let's cut the stop sign over here. Alright, let's see what happens. I'll check the voltmeter here in a second, but I'm going to put the ground fault test to it and see what it does. Still flashing. Still flashing. Should probably be around 7. Shit, 9.5. Yeah, I will in a minute. Let me finish this one. Well, this one's done, so the note on it's the transformer dead, but it was not the transformer that was the issue. It was the capacitors the whole time. Alright, so now what I need to do, I need some just piece of this stuff here. squeeze it together. Enough to this thing to. And then we'll take this stuff. Gorilla Glue construction adhesive. Bonds them about anything really. Plastic, wood, metal. Well, I squirt a little bit on there and we can push it into place. Alright, so what I'll do now is I'll let this stuff harden up, and when it's done hardening, we'll peel this off. It should hold, and I'll put the strip of that stuff right there, but it looks like it goes up a little further here too. So we'll I love this stuff. Get off my fingers. Alright, well that's it for now for this one. This one seems to be done. Whoops, I'll plug in up the silent run for a little while, make sure it's good, but it should be good. These Gallaghers usually either work or they don't. They really don't have any long, delay issues where they run for a little bit and quit. They usually run and then they just run forever, kind of thing, these old Gallaghers. Alright, well that's it for now. If you got one of these things, don't throw it away. Send it to a guy like me, you can still fix them. And save yourself $700 from buying a new one. Until next time, see you later.